Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. Hope you people are in the pink of your health conditions. Last time we were talking about IUPAC nomenclature of carbon compounds. I have given you at least 5 lectures on the IUPAC nomenclature of carbon compounds. The only funda behind structuring the lectures is that to make you people absolutely clear regarding this nomenclature. Last time we discussed some important examples regarding IUPAC nomenclature for branched chain saturated hydrocarbons, and I gave you some examples regarding this to make you people understand what actually this IUPAC nomenclature is all about. Today we are going to discuss naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double bond. During previous lectures, I have given you a brief description regarding this unsaturation. Let me recapitulate what actually this unsaturation is all about. Unsaturation, dear students, whenever you people will see unsaturation, unsaturation means a compound may have double or a triple bond. Sometimes compound may have I can say single bond, sometimes triple bonded compound. Means a carbon compound may contain double bond or triple bond, and that's related to unsaturation. That's why, because we discussed some of the important lectures regarding the hydrocarbons, and regarding the hydrocarbons, dear students, I told you, my dear students, that these hydrocarbons are of two types. One is saturated, where you people will see a carbon-carbon single bonds, and unsaturated means whenever you people will see carbon-carbon double bonds or carbon-carbon triple bond, and that is related to the unsaturation. So we are going to study names of unsaturated hydrocarbons, but that's obvious that those compounds will contain sometimes a double bond or sometimes a triple bond. So how to give names to the double bonded compounds or triple bonded compounds, dear students? In this video lecture, I am going to make you people absolutely clear that how we people are supposed to give names to the unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double bond or containing a triple bond. So I will try my level best to make you people absolutely clear regarding the names of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So let's discuss, my dear students, some of the examples regarding this unsaturated, I can say, nomenclature. As far as this compound is concerned, I have given you, I can say, 2-3 lectures on rules, certain rules or generalizations that will help us actually to give names to the carbon compounds. Like we have discussed rather one rule, that we have a first rule. First rule we have is that we are supposed to select the longest chain of carbon compounds. For example, this is a compound CH2 double bond CH2. Look, dear students, CH2 double bond CH2. This is one carbon. This is the open structure of this compound. This is condensed formula. Oh, shut. Look, dear students. This is a condensed formula of this compound. It's an open formula, open structure. This condensed formula. So, what we are supposed to do, that we have to select the longest chain. It's the longest chain. First, just see, is this condensed formula resembles with the open structure? Yes, absolutely. This one carbon, here is carbon, two hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, another carbon. In between the two carbons, we have double bond. We have double bonds, a double bonded compound. And another is carbon, then two hydrogen atoms. So that means this compound is same. So we have to name this compound. What we are supposed to do, that we have to first select the longest chain of carbon atoms. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2. The moment we will number this carbon chain either from right or from left. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. That means this is the same numbering. So this is the longest chain. This longest chain contains 2 carbon atoms. You know the rule already, that the moment you will see the 2 carbon atoms in a compound, you are supposed to write eth, dear students. Good. That means this hydrocarbon contains 2 carbon atoms, which are indicated by writing eth. So, but this hydrocarbon has a carbon-carbon double bond. It's a carbon-carbon double bond. It's a carbon-carbon double bond. Look, dear students. Carbon-carbon double bond. That means it is the moment you will see carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond, and that compound is unsaturated, my dear students. Unsaturated. Unsaturated. In last video lecture, we discussed saturated. Now, we are supposed to discuss unsaturated, dear students. This is unsaturated. That means eth, and this hydrocarbon has a carbon-carbon double bond, so is unsaturated. The double bond is indicated by using the ending "-ene". That's eth plus "-ene". Now combining eth plus "-ene", the IUPAC name of this compound is ethene. Ethene, dear students. The IUPAC name of unsaturated hydrocarbon containing 2 carbon atoms and a double bond is ethene, dear students. What, my dear students? Ethene. So somebody will pose your question that what will be the IUPAC name of the compound or a hydrocarbon containing 2 carbon atoms, but these 2 carbon atoms do have a double bond in between. You people should answer in a jiffy that compound should be ethene. So eth is used for 2 carbon atoms and ene is used for hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond. So this compound is named as ethene, dear students. What? Ethene. Jot it down with me. Ethene. Now, second example. Let's discuss second example. We have another compound, that is CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Look, dear students, as far as this compound is concerned, look, this is CH3, this is CH3. Now single bond CH. Now double bond, here is double bond, then CH2. That means a open structure. So open structure of this very compound, and it's a condensed structure. condensate structure, dear students. Condensate structure. So, dear students, this is actually the condensate formula of this open structure. Now, we are supposed to give name to this compound. This is very important concept. Very important concept. Here, we have to add one more rule. First rule is we have to select the longest chain. Let's select the longest chain, dear students. This is longest chain of carbon compounds. Let's select this. Because this is our first rule that we are supposed to identify, or we have to select the longest chain. This is the longest chain, dear students. Now, the rule will change. The moment we have to number this compound, the moment we have to number the carbon chain, but the rule will change. For example, we have to number the longest carbon chain from that side where you people will see double bond. That means we are supposed to give preference to the double bond. Double bond is to be selected. That means the rule will change here. Here is another rule. In AIIMS nomenclature for branched chain saturated hydrocarbons, whether we number the carbon chain from left to right or from right to left. But as far as this is concerned, this particular compound is concerned, we are supposed to number the carbon chain. That means longest selected carbon chain from that very side where you people will see the double bond. That means double bond. The moment you will see the double bond, you people are supposed to give preference to the double bond. That means we are supposed to give, I can say, supposed to number the carbon chain from this left hand side. 1, 2, 3. Second is that because somebody will pose your question, why to prefer the double bond? Because this double bond should get the lowest possible number, dear students. To make you absolutely clear, that's why I have jotted down this very example. So, firstly, double bond is to be selected first. Then we are supposed to number the longest carbon chain from that very side where the double bond will get the lowest possible number. Look, so lowest possible number 1. So now this compound contains 3 carbon atoms. That means this molecule contains 3 carbon atoms, and 3 carbon atoms are indicated by writing prop, dear students. And it contains carbon-carbon double bond. That means this hydrocarbon has also a carbon-carbon double bond. So it is unsaturated, dear students. So the double bond is indicated by using the ending -ene. So by combining prop plus -ene, this compound is named as prop-ene. Prop-ene or prop 1-ene, dear students. 1, why 1? Because it's a position of a double bond. Position of a double bond. That's why I wrote here prop 1-ene, dear students. This was important. This is very important example, dear students. And try more examples at your homes, my dear students. So this was actually the nomenclature of unsaturated. This is how we can give names to the unsaturated hydrocarbons. In the next video lecture, we are going to discuss some more examples regarding naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a triple bond. Hope you people have enjoyed this. Stay at your homes. Allah bless you all and keep practicing. Shine and rise. Make your future lucid and hoist your parents' name and bring laurels to our institution. That's AIIMS-HANDWARA. Thank you for watching this. Thank you once again, dear students.